Hello, friends. So, talking about the textile parks, the incentives what the government has given in the budget, the idea is to offer more than 1,000 acres of land to create textile parks. These parks have been before, but now again, this is a major move on further advancement to such precedents. And the idea is to create India as a manufacturing hub for these textiles and apparel industry. Now, currently, what is happening, a lot of these export hubs or these manufacturing base is largely set up in Southeast Asia, Vietnam, Bangladesh, China as well. Now, India has offered PLI scheme to incentivize, enhance, set up production base in Indian geography within textile sector, as in other sector we have seen. So the idea is to attract what is estimated is that more than 50,000 crores of rupees will be attracted in investments in the further setting up manufacturing base in these textile parks, which are being proposed, which are being aggregated, segregated, and identified post announcements in the budget. Overall, if we see what is happening is we are one of the leading consumers of textile brands, apparels, Zara, then H&M, and others as well. Here, and these are all getting their raw materials or raw manufactured products from Bangladesh and neighboring countries. So if India start producing such things, then it will save cost for these procurers, these firms, and the consumer will be here, the production will be here. So that will be a major attraction for these companies as well. So overall, it's a good move. Will create a lot of employment as textile is labor intensive industry, and we are skilled in this sector as well. So let's see how much successful we get in these with these textile parks in the coming decades. Thank you.